How is it? How is it?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. YouTube. What up, YouTube? What up, YouTube? This is my officially. What up, YouTube? I think I'm gonna do this. What up, YouTube? I look clear, huh? This is the new camera. Ooh. What up, YouTube? This is my first time using this camera, so we still getting used to it, but I've been playing with it, and this camera is gonna be a game changer. So yeah, today is Saturday. I'm going to my boys Max's, the Waylands. I'm going 55. You know, 55. If you know, you know. I'm gonna eat some dinner. We got in the car, so. Oh, bro. Oh. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just exploring the camera right now. So we just driving. How y'all been? I've been good. I've been chilling. You gotta put on your seatbelt before you leave. You feel? Wait. I'm looking for music. Troubled Waters by Chris Brown, bro. So it's currently 7:18. 7:18. So we going. We literally gonna be there in like 30 minutes. If there's not that many cars, but there is. So Chris Brown is gonna copyright me. I'll see you when I get there. It's pretty good.
It's good, Max. It's perfect.
How is it?
Delish. Delish.
I would say
Super tasty.
Wow, look at it, it's so juicy.
I know, right?
Who are we listening to here?
So good.
This is Bakar, I think.
Nice.
How is it?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. You know what I found in my oh damn, in my Google Drive, when DJ Boy Blue was trying to shoot the dark skin video.
We're in the theater.
I just found it.
How is DJ Boy Blue?
He's good. He's just always working.
Is he working on his music or working?
Oh my god.
I'm pretty good.
That's not so.
What the hell?
No, it's okay. It's the right temperature to serve me.
Nah, that was good. That was good as heck. But it keep going.
I could eat this every day.
Damn,
Is one
that
of my,
was so
is
good.
there one of those cold?
Bro.
I gotta stop.
The lake, right? testing something. Testing something.
You been tryna call my bluff, like I ain't the one that you fell in love with, huh? All in your feelings, girl, he's subbing, huh? Always questioning who I was with, you the one I fuck with. You been tryna call my bluff, like I ain't the one that you fell in love with, huh? All in your feelings, girl, he's subbing, huh? Always questioning who I was with, you the one I fuck with.
Really? Really?
I wonder what happened. Flashing, felt like the feeling was everlasting. Let them talk,
Alright,
trying
let
to
me
cause
see
a distraction. A two-step stop, now that the devil is dancing. Ask the doc, like what is causing the cancer. At a loss for the answer. I ain't trying to fight no more. Never proved yourself right before. I'm skating on thin ice, cause you been trying to call my bluff. Like I ain't the one that you fell in love with, huh? All in your feelings, girl, he's subbing, huh? Always questioning who I was with. You the one I fuck with. You been trying to call my bluff. Like I ain't the one that you fell in love with, huh? All in your feelings, girl, he's subbing, huh?
Alright. I ain't trying to have the wind take this from me. So. It's on the stand. It's on the stand. But I'm about to leave.
White lights pass me in the city, it's emergency. I'm thankful cause I made it past my 30s, no one murdered me. Still remember vividly the nigga that pulled a gun.
I'm at my sister's.
Come, give me a second. I'm changing Zeddy's diaper.
Okay.
Come.
Take your time.
Yeah.
She's changing Zayden's diaper.
And whenever.
We're going to check.
Hey! Stop! Of course, Jackie has a minute.
Yeah, 5 billion. Yeah.
Let me hear him like, yeah.
Yeah.
Boy,
Yeah, boy.
That's a number, that's a move. Wait. Hold on.
Still showing up for you, still showing up. Even when I do, guess it's still not enough for you. Out of all the things you accuse me of, you choose to choose violence, I'm choosing love. As soon as we start vibing, I'm losing touch. True. Cause you been trying to call my bluff, like I ain't the one that you fell in love with, huh? All in your feelings, girl, he's subbing, huh? Always questioning who I was with, you the one I fuck with. You been trying to call my bluff, like I ain't the one that you fell in love with, huh?
I'm here alone, so I'm about to go do some cooking. I went to the store and I got some stuff. So we're gonna, unload this and see what I got. This one I'm sipping on. I'm sipping on this. We got bread. I got some chicken. We're gonna do some stuff with it. Lemonade. You know what these are, huh? Asparagus. I got some seasoning in here from my house. Adobo. Soy sauce. Broccoli. Mixed veggies. Green beans, potato, as Brussels sprouts, Brussels sprouts. So that's what we got. This is all I got. So let me show you on my bag. Bear with me. All right. Oh yeah, and I got some eggs. I'm wait, hold on. Hey, okay. Hey. we gotta start by, you know, opening the drink. Woo. Woo. I don't know why I've been so addicted to drinking these lately. It's so good. Literally. This is real good. I'm trying to pour it all, but I still got a little bit left. I cooked a little bit rice yesterday, white rice, and I ate a little bit. So I'm gonna use the rest. I think I'm gonna make some fried rice, and I'm gonna make some baked potatoes, some baked chicken. I don't even know what I want to do, honestly, if I'm being honest. So I'm gonna go think of some ideas real quick. I'll turn the camera back on in like 5 minutes. So y'all just give me 1 sec, all right? All right, so rinse the chicken out. I'm gonna just bake everything, honestly. So we got the rinsed chicken right here. Now I just gotta season it. What am I gonna cook the chicken on? I'm gonna do it on this. I'm gonna do it on this. Do it on this. Gotta rinse this real quick. How's everyone's day going? Y'all fucking with a new camera? Oh yeah, I know, I'm fucking with it too. Follow me, track me everywhere I go. Everywhere I go? Of course. Of course. Alright, dump a little more water out. Chicken. We got that chicken. How's everybody's day going? That's going alright. I honestly don't know how I'm gonna edit this video. I never know how I'm gonna edit a video until I do it. But so we cleaned the chicken. Now we're gonna, like, you know, try to get that water out. Type shit. You know? Give it a little massage. Don't let it get stuck. Don't let it get stuck on it though. If you know what I mean. That's like a quick pat on the chicken, you know? Alright, y'all. I'll show you guys whatever I do, whatever I make, so I can get to whipping, because it's 5. And yeah, I'm gonna be bad at trying to do this and this and this and this, you know? I'll talk to y'all later. I told y'all I was gonna stop recording until I finished cooking, and I finished cooking. So this is what I made. I end up making some stir-fried rice, you know, stir-fry, and then I got some stuff in the oven I gotta take out now. So put this down. You gotta take the Brussels sprouts out. You gotta take the broccoli out. We're gonna take the green beans out. All right. Next, asparagus out. And then the chicken. So that is what I ended up doing. So food for y'all. Y'all wanna eat with me? I got my nice alcohol with me. Don't worry about it. Just know it's some good shit. Bye for now.
And I don't care what they be saying, cause I want you. And girl, I know you got a member, babe, I want you. They gon' say I'm delusional the way I want you. Just make sure I can pull up, kill it when I want to. Just make sure I can pull up, kill it when I want to. Just make sure I can pull up, kill it when I want to.
What's your name? What you do? What's your sign? I like your vibe. You like mine, though. She said she put her hands on folks, none of mine, no. She said I ain't no real baller, what do I know? I don't mind, no. I mean, that funny, you can see with a blind face.
YouTube.
I just need some loving on me, that's where my mind go. That's where my mind go now. They say when you up, it's when it all goes down. Just be proud of me, I ain't got it all figured out.